So today's recipe is very special because it's a request from my friends to do a recipe for healthy diet. So come along, I'll share with you my healthy diet recipe. So here we have around 250 grams of Romanesco broccoli, and I have half of orange, just sliced, and I have some few mint leaf which I cut in julienne, and I have lemon zest, half a lemon zest, and I have 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and few mint leaves for garnish. And here we have around 225 grams of cottage cheese. So now I'll mix this cottage cheese with some mint leaf and lemon zest and a little bit of lemon juice. So I'll mix this. It's very fast. You can enjoy it in dinner or lunch, and it's very healthy also. So now I start plating it. The broccoli I've already parboiled it, so it's like I boil it with salted water, and now I start plating this. So you can plate this. Here. Now you can put the orange somewhere. Now you can add some mint leaf. And I have there you are, my take of healthy eating, and you can enjoy in your snack or in dinner or lunch. And please don't forget to comment in my link so for the next video. Thank you.